actually really nice.
Yeah, good.
That's actually the most I felt it really release.
That's the most relaxed you've been as well.
Yeah.
Which is good.
I trust you now, that's why.
Hey guys, I've got Marvin from Fit in 5 with me. He's coming to get an adjustment. Why have you come in, Marvin?
Over the years, as you know, I've done a lot of exercise, and with that, it means that basically my body has just worn itself out in a lot of areas. I've got a bit of, on one side, too much overcompensating, and now I need correction, which you're going to be doing for me.
Got it. So it was just the lower back that we are checking out. Obviously, you're going to be checking out his whole body. So we're going to get him on his front, and we'll just start from there. So you say it's really stable at the moment?
Yeah.
Okay, no, just a bit stiff, loosen up, but no like constant pain in the lower back?
Nothing at all. Nothing that's making me feel like I can't get up and work out now, which is
Okay,
great.
not stiff in the morning?
No, the morning's actually been quite decent.
Cool.
I think after probably a couple of hours after the workout, I do a bit of yoga.
Yeah.
And that just kind of relieves any stiffness that I have.
Okay, awesome. I see Marvin's a big Jordan fan. There's actually, he just showed me a photo of Michael Jordan holding him
When I was 5.
when he was 5, the coolest thing. Okay, so you feel that there?
Yeah.
So that's a nerve interference on the left side. I know you're not these neck adjustments you're still getting used to.
It's not that bad now. So.
Nice breathing. Well done.
That was actually really nice.
Yeah, good.
That's actually the most I felt it really release.
That's the most relaxed you've been as well.
Yeah.
Which is good.
I trust you now, that's why.
Thank you.
I don't need a safe word anymore.
Thank you, brother. Yeah. Nice and easy. So what we're basically detecting is a spine that's out of line, causing pressure on the nerve, which is causing nerve interference. So we're just putting those spines back to where they are. We call it putting the train back on the train tracks, just so that your body can heal itself. So legs are moving really, really good. There we go. We're getting way better.
That was way better than last time. I actually felt it pop that time.
Good job. In the beginning, there was just no movement at all.
Nothing at all.
And so that's why we want to get everything going forward from there. And then on your front from here, please again. Yeah, we're getting movement, yeah. Jeez, that's cool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 3, 2. Marvin came in the beginning, it was like moving a brick wall. But now everything's starting to move a little bit better because he's changing so many lives with Fit in 5. He's obviously taken a bit of a toll on his body, but so grateful to be a part of his healing process, which is so great. There we go, that's all good. Okay, on your back there. Nice breath in. And out. Let's get you up, please. Nice and easy.
Gosh.
And then just switch your legs to the right for me, please. Cool. We got one more, your favourite one. Just gonna get some. Yeah. What's sticking up? Cool, yeah. Okay, let's go. And then hands behind your neck for me, please. And just interlace your hands. There we go. Elbows forward, please. Nice big breath in. And rock back. Oh, good job. I mean, obviously, everything's already moved, which is fine. Wow. Amazing. That's really, really great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Different body from last time.
Yeah, absolutely. So super happy with that. Marvin did so well. Marvin, is there anything that you'd like to say in terms of your concepts about chiropractic before you came here? Did you think the clicking was going to hurt? Anything like that?
Well, the one first initial thing I'd like to say is that obviously I was quite apprehensive, even though I would tell people to go for correction.
Yes.
But I was quite scared because I was like, I know how stiff I am. So I'd think, oh no, something's going to break or I'm going to feel like this. But it's the complete opposite. I've been fixed.
Wow.
So now even my posture, even movements that I would usually do, whether I'm doing squats, everything feels better and everything feels more aligned.
Yeah.
So I definitely recommend anybody who has any back issues or any type of issues in their body, want to have any correction, come in, don't be afraid, just literally let them take over.
Thank you,
and they'll look after you.
Thank you so much, Marvin. I appreciate your time.
No, thank you.
I think Marvin said something really, really great. It's like he's keeping active. You know, he's got his great program going through. He's doing yoga, which is something I do all the time. And then also thirdly, like chiropractic can add on to that. So it's just something we're trying to be 90 years young one day.
Yeah.
And that's what you're doing. So I'm super happy about that.
No,
Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you so
I really
much.
appreciate your time.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better, please like and subscribe to see more here.